everyone, I'm Carol Brailey of carolbrailey.com. I'm an image consultant and color analysis professional. I have helped men and women from around the world choose their best hair, makeup, clothing, and accessory colors. And that's why I'm producing this video today. I am on a mission to bring back the same level of passion around choosing your best colors through color analysis that existed back, say, in the 1980s. When did choosing your best hair, makeup, clothing, and accessory colors lose momentum? Because I believe that you could have the best hairstyle or best styled outfit in the world, but if the color that your hair or outfit is in is making you look washed out and perhaps dull, it's not such a good look for you. I get it. You're like looking at me, you're like, she's not wearing a lot of makeup. She doesn't have a lot of hair color in her hair. I have a little blue here, a little pink on this side. But trust me, I do all that by choice. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup and a lot of color in my hair. So please check out this page. The finer detail is below. I hope you join me on this color analysis journey.